Hello, all you cats and kittens. Welcome to another day of learning fun. Today we are going to be learning some new grammar. So I hope you are all ready with your big open eyes and your big open ears. All right? So let's get started. Before we start with the new grammar, I want to very quickly review something in the present that we have learned and practiced many times this year in class. And that is there is and there are. So we should know that there is and there are both mean hay in Spanish, right? But there is singular and there are is used for the plural. So, for example, there is a banana in the kitchen. Singular, there is only one. And plural, there are some grapes on the table. Plural, right? So, with that in mind, we are going to learn how to use this in the past, el pasado, okay? So, in the past, instead of there is, we say there was. So, there was a sale at my favorite clothes store last week. And last week means la semana pasada. Okay, and this is singular. There was a sale. And there were, which is plural, there were many people in the square yesterday afternoon. Yesterday afternoon is ayer por la tarde. Okay? So, and there was and there were means había. Alright? Both mean the same in Spanish. Then we have the negative. Singular, wasn't. There wasn't a castle in the town. Then in plural, we have weren't. There weren't any expensive hotels nearby. Okay? And wasn't is the short form of was not. And weren't is were not. Then interrogative, the question. Remember, with the question, we always change the order of the sentence. So, was and were go at the beginning instead of in the middle or in the end. So, was there a noisy train station? Singular, a noisy train station. Were there any cars in the car park? Plural, right? Okay, so pretty simple, I think, more or less, right? So now let's practice together so that we can understand this even more. So in the next slide, you are going to look at the picture and complete the sentence. So, remember, this one is positive. In the sentence, there many busy streets in the town. Many means that the sentence is singular or plural. Many. There are many busy streets in the town. There were many busy streets in the town. And this we know is were because of this word that we have here, many. Many means more than one, which is plural, right? So there were many busy streets in the town. Another affirmative sentence. There a modern theater in the center. Is this singular or plural? There was a modern theater in the center. There was only one, because we see this word a. There was a modern theater in the center. All right, negative. There a noisy bridge. So first we think, is this singular or plural? A noisy bridge, one. So it's singular, which means there wasn't a noisy bridge. Then, again, negative. There any expensive clothes shops. Singular or plural? Any clothes shops. There weren't any expensive clothes shops, right? Then a question. There any busy markets? Markets, singular or plural? This one is plural, so the question is, were there any busy markets? And the last question, there a quiet train station? This one we see the letter A, which means singular. So, was there a quiet train station? And that's all. Super easy peasy, right? I think this is easier than the other grammar. Okay, so keep studying. Great job, and I will see you soon, and we will practice some more together. Okay, bye-bye.